Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and tonight I'm going to show you a really great tutorial for how to reheat French fries. Now, you might have gotten some takeout last night or earlier in the day, or it just got cold by the time you got it home. Or you made French fries last night yourself and you've got leftovers and you don't want to throw them out. We have a whole big container full of them still. So I'm going to show you how to reheat them to get them a little bit more crispy, not so dried out, and kind of salvage these French fries instead of just wasting them. So first things first, you're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You're going to get yourself a nice little baking tray, and I'm just going to spray it. I know it's non-stick, but it always helps. Scatter them about. Now these guys have been sitting in the fridge overnight, so they are slightly dehydrated than they were. And I'm going to hit them with some pretty hot heat. I want to crisp them up, but I also don't want them to be really dry. So I'm also going to cover them with some aluminum foil. But I'm going to wet my aluminum foil slightly beforehand. I just ran it under the water and kind of shook it out. This is going to ensure that they don't completely dry out, but they're still going to get nice and hot, and you're going to resalvage them a little bit better. Into the oven they go. All right, these fries are done. Now I checked on them and I made sure that it was nice and moist before I started. But they've crisped up, they're super hot. They've crisped up nicely. They're never gonna be the same as they were the day before, but they've crisped up. They're not gonna be soggy and just lifeless, okay? So let me just get a couple on a plate so they can cool off for me to try for you. Now you can see they didn't burn. I didn't want to get them even more browned. It was totally unnecessary. Okay, so they're nice and they're more crispy and they haven't browned more. That's much better. They're slightly crispy. Look at that. Now they're still nice and tender. With a little bit of crunch. So there you go. These are particularly good fries and I didn't want to throw them out. They're nice. So that's how you do it. That's how you reheat, rejuvenate your French fries if you have leftovers from last night or if they just got cold by the time you got home from taking them out. So that's it. That's how you do it. I hope you try it too. Don't waste your fries. Don't throw them out or give them to the dogs. You can refresh them, okay? Follow me on Twitter at cookingwithkimE with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. My shows are on ifood.tv/cookingwithkimberly, youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly, and you can find me on Roku. Come to my website at cookingwithkimberly.com. Come subscribe and interact with us. Let us know what's going down in your culinary world. Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye.